Lipa helped me bridge the gap between theory and practice through simulation labs, clinical exposure, and values formation. I felt confident stepping into the hospital because DLSL trained me not just in skills, but also in how to serve with heart and professionalism. The best part of being an intern is connecting with patients and being a source of support during their most vulnerable times. Working alongside a dedicated healthcare team has shown me how deeply our profession can impact a patient's journey toward healing. I've learned the importance of adaptability and teamwork in a fast-paced environment. In healthcare, things are constantly changing, and the ability to adjust while maintaining compassionate care is something I'll carry with me throughout my career.